Welcome back to my channel, my love. So today I'm going to do something a little bit different, but not so different because I have done this in the past. So yeah, basically I'm just going to show you guys my room. So this is going to be like my room tour. So I did do a room tour like a year and a half ago, and so my room looks super different now than before. So basically I legit changed a lot of things around and I got new things, so it looks different. And if you guys would like to see like how my room used to look before, I will link the link down below for you guys to go see how it looked before. So let's get started, guys. So this is my door and it's just plain brown. It's kind of ugly, but whatever. Anyways, then once you open the door, you see this whole situation right here. And don't mind this fan. I usually have it here because it gets really hot at night, so I usually turn this on. So yeah, it's just there. I'm probably gonna move it over there because right here is like on the way, it's like right there, but whatever, ignore that. But anyways, right behind the door I have these drawings right here. This one my sister and Mia made it for me. It's super cute. It's just Mia's hands right there. And then right here is a drawing of me and my husband. I believe this was 2014. I know it's been a long time. We got this when we went to the fair for the first time. So yeah, and then we have another drawing over there. I did this with my baby girl for my husband's first Father's Day. And then right on top of that we have our little thing when we graduated high school. So we just have that up there. And then we have a balloon, and then we have this cute drawing right here that my mother-in-law gave my baby girl. So yeah, it's super cute and it says Mia. And then this is a door. So usually this door opens to go outside in the back, but it's never opened. Like I have this door shut 24/7, so we don't use it. We do have a trash can, this little bench right here. I'm not sure what it's called, but I just call it like a bench or whatever. And then I usually have some stuff in there like blankets and some toys of Mia. And then we have this pillow right here. I've been having this pillow for almost 3 years. My husband got it for me when I was pregnant, and yeah, I just have it there. And then I have my everyday bag, so it's easy for me to just grab. And then excuse this fan. And then right next to it I have this setup for Mia. It's like a play setup, and I usually have this here because sometimes she likes to just hang out in the room, so she's able to play with some stuff right there. And yeah, I do have a bigger setup in the living room for her and my little sister. So usually they spend most of the time in the living room playing, but I just have this set up just in case. So let me show you guys. This is so cute. I got this little what is this called, cubby thing at Walmart. So right on top of this I do have this binder right here. I will link this binder down below for you guys. I did do a video on this binder. So basically the video just shows what I have in here. And then we have this cute little, I don't know, puzzle thing. It's basically a little, like, I don't know what you want to call it, but it goes big, small, and a baby. Then I got this cute little, I don't know what you want to call this, at the dollar store, and it's so cute. It says teaching is a work of art. Like, I just had to get it, so I just have it there. And then I have some crayons and like markers. And then Mia usually likes playing with dinosaurs, so she has them there. I have this little giraffe right here. So before you guys ask anything, I do have this setup really organized because I do believe in the Montessori method. So that's why every little activity has its own home, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna show you guys what I have. I have this cute little board right here. It's the number 1 through 100. I usually just have 1 to 30 right here because I am teaching Mia the numbers 1 to 30 first. So I have that there. So we have some words right here, like we can and stuff like that. I just have it there. And then we have this cute little puzzle. It's like the body puzzle. I got this on Amazon. Oh shoot. Then I have some magnets, and then I have some wooden toys. So then we have another puzzle right here. Next to it, we have this table right here, just in case she just wants to sit down and just do some of the activities. You could just do it there. Right on top of the table, she has this little doggy right here. I got her this makeup thing at the dollar store because she likes to play with makeup when I'm doing my makeup. So she has that, huh? And she's over there.
Mom.
Yes?
This one.
What?
This one.
What happened?
Funny, please.
The what?
Open it. Open it.
So yeah, and then we have a little mirror right here. I got this at the 99-cent store. And then we have this cute little chair right here. So right next to this table, I have my ring light and my camera that I usually use when I do my makeup tutorials. And I use this background as like my background for my makeup tutorials. So yeah. Then I have these 2 coats right here. This one my mother-in-law gave me. And this one, I believe I got it at Ross or Marshall's. I'm not too sure, but yeah. So in this section right here, I have all my bags, and then I have my brushes that I usually don't use. And right under that, I do have this container where I usually put coins. So yeah. And then in this section right here, I have all my heels, and then under all my heels, I do have my everyday shoes. And right on top, I do have this bear right here. My husband gave this to me 2 years ago, I believe, for Valentine's Day. And then we have this cute photo right here when I had my gender revealed. And then we have this cute little tree right there my mother-in-law gave me. I believe she got it from Mexico, so I feel like it looks so cute right there. So yeah, that's that section. So right next to that, I do have my vanity. So right on top of my vanity, I have this mirror right here to do my makeup. Like if I need to see myself really close, I have that. And then I have my laptop right here. I have my everyday brushes. This cute little rose that my husband gave me a year ago, I believe, and it's so cute. I just love how it looks there. And then we have a old picture of us. And then of course my baby girl. And right under that, I have my beauty blender, and then I have some candy right here, and then my wipes for my makeup. And right here I have my perfumes, some of my perfumes, and then I have this cute little like apple little container. It's so cute. I got it at a dollar store. And then I have this is just for the room to like smell good. And then right behind that, I have this picture that my sister did for me, which is like a pregnant girl laying down. It's supposed to be me, I guess. So yeah, that's that. So this is my vanity. So this is my chair, and my husband got it for me for Christmas. I will ask him where he got it, for I could link it down below, because I know some of you guys have asked in the past where I got this. So I'm gonna try my best to link everything down below for you guys, like the doors, the vanity, for you guys to go check that out. So basically the vanity I got it at IKEA, this I got it at IKEA as well, and those two things over there I got it at IKEA, but I'll try and link it down below for you guys. Then we have this drawer right here. I have like a bunch of jewelry right there, my babies, like lotions, my perfumes, and I also have some of my babies' bowls and stuff like that. So I don't want to show everything that I have in this drawer, guys, because this video will be too long. So right on top of that, I do have this container right here. It has all my rings, and then we have this little box right here which says Mia, and my mother-in-law gave this to her. It's so cute. And then I have my mini Jeffree Star lipsticks in this little cup. This was actually a candle. I just cleaned it out and I just put my lipsticks right here, and it just fit perfectly. And then I have this liquid lipstick or lipstick stand. So I got this stand online, So I got it from this brand, which is called Luxbox, and this was actually pretty pricey, guys. So I have two perfumes right here. These are the Playboy perfumes. So right next to this I have this drawer right here, and I got this on Amazon. I'll try and find it for you guys. I'm not sure if it's still available, but it's so cute, and I just love the fact that it's my baby's size. So yeah, she's able to like grab her clothes that she has there. I also like how it has these two cubbies. I have some notebooks, some books, and then this album right here. I have a few things right there, her iPad, and then right next to it I have this comb. I do have this container. It contains some like bracelets, her watch, and then some of her like everyday bowls and stuff like that. And then so in this box, it's so cute. I got it for her, and this is from Amazon as well. So in here she keeps all her money that people have gave her in the past. So yeah, and then it comes with this cute little key, and yeah, so she just has it here. So every time someone gives her money, we just put it there for her. So cute. And then right on top of that, I have her everyday like combs and like scrunchies and like bobby pins or whatever in here. Oops. So then I have this little, I don't know what you want to call this, but I got it at the 99-cent store, and I thought it was so cute. I have my scissors, some pins, and like highlighter, just random things right there. So then we have this cross right here. I got this at the dollar store as well. And then I have some candles. These I got at the dollar store as well. And then the bottom one I got at Walmart. And then we have this container. This is usually my husband's stuff. I got this for him because usually he will keep all his stuff around here, and I just hated it. I'm such an organized person that it was just like no. So I got this little container, and he has all his stuff right there. So yeah. So right next to it there's Mia's shoes that she wears, and then right here I have all her bags that she has. And yeah, right on top of that I have all my necklaces, and usually I don't wear these, but I just have them there. So that's that little section right there. Oh, and then we have this little rug. I think I got this Walmart, I think, I'm not sure. And then right next to that I do have my closet. It's kind of messy, I think, but let me just show you guys real quick. Nothing too crazy, but yeah, that's my closet. So right next to my closet there's a restroom, and we don't want to go in there because yeah, it's the restroom. And then we have our bed. Sorry, it's kind of messy. My little girl was laying down, so she made a mess, but whatever. So yeah, this is my bed. I believe I got the sheets at Ross or Marshalls. I could be wrong, but just in case you guys wanted to know. And then we have some pictures all around the walls, as you guys can see. And yeah, guys, I think that's about it. Oh, I almost forgot. We have this bag right here. and we got this on Amazon as well. And in here we keep all Mia's stuffed animals because before they were everywhere. I was like, oh my gosh, like what am I gonna do with all these stuffed animals? And it works perfectly. Like, and usually she sits there, even my husband sits there to like play video games. So yeah guys, I think that's about it. So I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and hopefully you guys got some ideas. So I will try to link everything down below for you guys. Whatever I could find, I'll link it down below for you guys to go check that out. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.